Bad mind always active, but God is always proactive. Yeah, so my last year outfit. This was last year summer. Last year summer. Sometimes life is not the way I want it to be. Sometimes. Come on, baby. So this should be and let's go. One time. Make too much couscous come no like on the waist, you know. No waist, man. It's nice and buttery. You can smell the flavor of the butter from this now. Couscous is nice. Really love couscous. It's really good, not lie. I almost like turn the camera, but if it turned much faster. I don't want to take out too much because I don't overeat my belly. I'm going to see it and I feel like I'm just going home. Just put it in the freezer till the morning. Nice, is it? Good stuff. I like a small container like a cream coming out. Like we're trying to so super small like a buy cream. Small like a sit like a buy cream and for this in a restaurant. And I like a bit music out of the packet and a one pack music. I like a bit music out of the pack and it's well big, so it's well big, man. Well, it tastes good. I could eat all this for the night. And I like, I wish I could eat all like. But it's on the fridge now. I want to, I'm not for that sure like before, you know. So I really tastes good. And we might cover if we cover this back. We might cover for this, sure. Really tastes good, me tell you. Why? That's why sometimes we overeat because the food's so good. And sometimes the food is so good, I end up overeat. Okay, you want about my pot them black because your pot of black if you're cooking every day. If you're not cooking every day, you can't black. That means you're not cook. Oh, braids, nobody going on my gravy, please. I got onions and pepper. Oh, la la, my shanty. I feel like I can't eat a lot of this tonight, you know? And I eat as much no more like I used to move, gingy fly, move over my dinner. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, sister. And the fish fresh, you know, because the piece I kind of mash up quick. And you say someone mash up on me, so unless you're half rotten, but then let's see. Move, man. I put more gravy because I'm gonna put the thing right there. The gingy fly won't give me food a break, man. Gosh. It's damn gingy fly. I'm get some of the onion before them steal. Okay. Man, I'm telling you, man. I try to catch them when the AC blow, they never set up the AC right because when the AC blow, the fly, they come right through the AC when the wind coming through. If something when I fix up, that's alright. Move, man. I don't want to pitch on something so I want to pitch on my food. Sure. Sure, gingy fly, move, man. You might not be a movie star. You might not drive a big fast car. But I love you in every way. I don't know why. Oh, why? You might not be. A man come from the life, say my dreadlocks and say, you want to know if me have ugly feet or princess, you want to know if me have nice feet. The answer in a brethren, me tell you, me have cow feet. Big and strong cow feet, just go a bush. Catch a bucket of water and up my foot in the mud so I don't slide away. So I have to go back for the water again. Coming from the rest. Some wheel on the mud and go wheel one thing or wheel and kick on further. And we pull out the next one and shove the next one back down into the mud. You see, and grip it. The mud fly out to my toe then. Later on in the night, when I bathe myself, I go around the fireside and peel some green banana. I save some green banana. And when they get very hot, I put them between my toe because I have something you call grunage that's eating away my flesh. You know, so move, Kingy, fly. You fly, you hope you come in, yeah. You understand me? So, if you want to know if I have nice feet, I have survival feet. They keep me going up till today, dragging those cream, those shea butters in the subway. I don't have a car. Those are my car without no insurance on it. Those are sure to go long as God give me strength. You hear me? No gas, no parking ticket. So don't worry yourself. You hear? Me not have to pay no parking ticket. Me not pay my no gas. You don't go gas me, I pay for put food on my body and keep going. Which I can live with that. You know, so when y'all attack Kale and the apple, put 2 apple in it tonight. You jump me the one amount. I'm gonna cut up some kale, but you never look enough. I'm gonna cut up some more. Come some more and get all this kale. I'm gonna get all the kale in. Once we get all of this in, even if I'm gonna get all this fish and stuff in, I don't mind. Because the whole aim, I was doing this to myself and I actually see it working, right? But I really love this more and more every day. And I didn't realize I was bribing myself. Then I see a commercial, and the commercial was like giving the kids French fry around dinner table because they don't want to eat them vegetable. So then give them like French fry and stuff, you know, little. So if they eat that, they can't get one fry. And then I realized and said to myself, what is this? Okay. So I said to myself, you know, doing this like that and doing it. Move the gingy fly, man. It's so annoying. I may have the chopper, I catch someone up on the chopper and it's like, I don't know who come from. And just come disrespect me dinner. I know somebody selling the gingy fly in here. Sure. You know, wicked to say. You won't even give me a break. Boy, I tell you. So I used to put my foot in the mud to carry water, you know. And sometimes I have to hook my foot all the way down to the water. Don't throw away, I don't have to go back. So I'm a woman with strong feet that God make, you know. I'm not worrying about, you say if you want to have pretty feet. I don't know what you call pretty feet. They're safe and sound. They're strong. All the toes are there, all 5 of them. So if that's what you want to know, all 5 of my toes are there. And the skin on my foot bottom is there, yeah. And I still have feelings in it, even hard as they be. Yes, if that's what you want to know, I mean, welcome. I introduced my feet to you since you're a feet man. And I'm going to go in for this salad right now. I love it, honey. I mean, I don't know what to say. I'm coming to buy a red apple today. Because the red apple, them, I'm putting the sweet, they have to be crispy. Just like the green one, but you have 2 kind of red apple. One of them kind of foody, when you eat it, just come foody like. I mean, I like that. I like it kind of crispy with the kale, kind of crispy when you eat it. So I use the green one and the red sweet one, the crispy one. I buy it with the and the same shaping one I buy, I'm a come and it's still foody. So I didn't want to take no chance today. I like the green one more, so I just buy the green one more. So I can get the red one I want when the food is crispy. I can mix it like I always used to, the green and the red one. But I started out only with the green one from beginning. So the green one is better. Not the foodie one, the crispy one. If it's a foodie one, it now go taste good. That's why I buy the green one, the crispy one, you know, kind of sorry, kind of sweet. Don't buy the regular foodie one, it's now go taste good in your salad. I want a friend, now we talk about foodie and yummy, not taste good. They gotta be the crispy one, it's the green one. Oh God, I love this so much, man. So you cut up the kale very fine, wash it clean, your organic kale, and you cut it up very fine. And after you cut it up very fine, you also wash the apple, peel the apple, and dice up the apple very fine. And then you put it in a container and mix 2 of them together with a spoon, and then you enter a little bit of this. And You know, any one of these type. Nothing milky, nothing cheesy, this type. And you're going to enjoy it. So what I do here is to put a lot of the greens in my plate as possible. And the fish, and that is the that I like. But every time I take a bite, I'm mostly trying to consume all of the greens. So I might be fill up the end of the day, and if the fish is not finishing, though it's not that much fish and thing, at least all the greens go. Because the whole idea is, if I could just do greens every day, all day without the fish. You know what I mean? So the whole idea of getting myself, you know, using so I have to use less of it, and still feel like, you know, I eat my fish and eat my regular food like I always eat, but at the same time I get that in. Because when I go to the bathroom, it does pay off, I'm telling you. And I clean the stomach up very well, make you feel good. So the whole idea of putting more of that in your plate and less of the food in your plate, so you can trick yourself of eating more of that. You understand me? So what you notice when we eat that regular meal, I go back afterward, dessert time, and finish this before I go bed. I make sure I finish this. Till I finish up, I make sure I come back and finish a little bit here. So I feel more satisfied because I know so I eat all that amount when I make. We're gone in. Once it's gone in, that's it. So that's my thing. Right? Ay, ay, ay. Jesus God. Satan wicked. Me I come sit down, you know, I'm never excited. Me excited for the food. But me two up on the chair almost tumble on the plate. And I'm turn on the plate of food and that wouldn't be good. Because me have to go and go make more Kale. And you know, wicked. And then when I want me eat. And then when I want me eat, I'm going to tell you the eat is real dog. Man. After me go through so much sitting for so long. Oh Father Jesus. Have mercy upon me, Father. Forgive me all the wicked things I've done in my life and bad things. Right, I come back to me. I beg your man, forgive me. Yo, forgive me, Lord. I can't take it anymore. Because I don't do nothing wrong and all these things happening to me. I lick up my foot, me tumble down, this and that. Take a crosses, Lord. I'm begging you, forgive me, Lord. Forgive me what I've done. I'm living a clean life now. Sanctify me, oh Father. I'm begging you. Hallelujah. I know you provide for me food every day, God, so I know you didn't hate me, Father God, because if you do, you would have never made me eat. You'd be like, Satan, I get you, you know, but Lord, thank you, touch each and every one that do have a meal today all over the world, Father. Help me, send a little food to them somewhere there that are hungry and a nice thing. Father, I'm begging you, but those days I was in Spanish town, hungry nearly killed me. Father, I'm begging you, touch each and every one of us, and thank you for what you put on my plate, and thank you in a good mind and good condition, and I can enjoy it. And I'm not keep me off of them bed when me done. Amen. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Yeah. So where's the one that like me? Where's the goodie? So dirty old that was celebrity lamp, so dirty old pillowcase, I'm a tablecloth all just sitting with the mix. See there? So you see me have more of the greens? No. It not cook. I don't like it cook. You get more of it raw than cook. And you see the salmon there, and you see the thing there, but you see it's more of the greens there, right? Which I'm going to enjoy on the same plastic fork, same plate. But more plate in the kitchen, I'm going to use them for the woman that's sitting on my drainer. I'm afraid of them. Yeah. So the same one I was keeping in the room, I ate me half still. I use. Yeah. You want some? Why you calling Jesus Christ off the cross? Why you don't? I know. Why you doing that? Don't do that. You calling on crosses in your life when you're calling on the Lord for no reason. Ow. They makeup and scratch my face. Man, wash off something my face. I can't take this in for making too long, you know. I don't know how I want to do it, man. Nasty one. Wash off my face now. Eat my food. Wash off the dirty sitting for my face. Paint up something. Face feel clean. Put on my rubbings. Yeah, man. I'm going to stop bleeding the Lord name in vain. I never seen nobody before. The place I pray for not call on God, but good enough to pray for call on God. So God, come on, go man. What wrong with the plate of food? Not a thing, not much living in my plate. The greens and the apple and something. Oh no, I can't God like something wrong. What am I play? None of they play good, eh? Me agree probably could have feed 2 persons, but I mean, I can't think about that right now. Think about getting the vegetable in my system. Right? If I'm gonna get nothing, all of this in, get that in. And the way it is nice when I do it so, you know, because the gravy. See it nice when I do it so. Move all one big fly come now. But I will Satan want to do me suffer. Why not leave me alone? When you look at big, you know where big fly come from, come here, so watch it, I never move. But how where the grass is all is this? I never see anything like this. Duppy really there, man. They really are for me, brother. Come on, for. Come on, for. Your mother's cunt. For. You're cunt, all you. Kill him, man. The pillar. I don't put him in the pillar, I still have to go wash my hand. No one move. I'm telling you. What the ass is this? Come out of my room, ghost, come out. I'm telling you. That white wretch was a wicked wretch, you know. You left some cunt around here, boy, I'm telling you. Take one more on the window here. What is this? So no coming up to come kill me tonight. Nothing else to take in peace. Where is the peace? Where is the food the eater eat? Where did they sleep when they get drunk in the street? Where did the eater go and sleep? What did they eat? Now we have a big piece of my sitting that ship on the side also because of that fly. If you fight with that fly, if you get in my way. I crawl like he have foot, like he want to come crawl on my food. I know where he come from. Just come up so all of a sudden to the blood. So them wicked and still they want me eat my food. Want to send fly night. They're wicked enough. This thing got a flavor to kill. Some man can't cut me fry for oh no. Cause trust me if you eat this stuff, it's sweet till it can't done. With it, it's gonna enter the gravy with the greens and the apple kind of sweet and sour. With the gravy of the fish and the pepper and the onion. Oh yeah. Skeleton time. God, I really thank you, you know. If I were not chew that much because I don't have that much teeth left. So if you don't have a lot of teeth left for you to chew a lot. If you chew a lot for a pear gum, people are really wicked and innocent, you know. All the wicked, sir. Yeah, try to swallow. You have to swallow if you don't teeth someplace. We're going to chew on this was a gum. In back, what happened to them? What you? Love them, man. Eater them. Look at dirty eater. Not him, you know. Hey, fly golden man! What is this? Oh. And you want meat like a big clean piece and it tastes so good. Oh Lord. You call this a beat, you call this a meal, yeah? I call it, this is from heaven dish, this. Upon earth, you know, one of the good things that God make. In Mother Nature, look at me, Mother Nature raw. Mother Nature, look at me, eat your raw just so. Nice, is it good? Really nice. It's really enjoyable. I got in my restaurant there. How much money you pay for sitting like this healthy? Hey. Mrs. But I'm not. Then I have like this because I'm my specialty and I make this. And this is kicking and it's a bomb. Trust me, I make it and it's a bomb. Anybody who try it like it. My straight up organic kale and my apple, like a sauce, cut up fine. Anybody who try it, love it. I was like, girl, I like your recipe. That shit is hot. I see one guy trying to go buy chicken rat fried rice, them stuff, and start eat kale. I'm like, that's good to get the rat out of your system. You call me like Olivet? No lie. I go up on the kale, I start with the apple and kale, my husband love it, everybody love it. I love your recipe. Like, that's good, girl. I'm not going to say, I should always go to Chinese and buy shrimp and broccoli. Instead of shrimp and broccoli alone, I buy shrimp and broccoli with rat gravy. Top goodie. Imagine. I tell you the truth though. If I'm not miss it, you're not gonna know what. If I'm not make it, you're not gonna know what I'm missing. If you can cook, if you can't cook, you're gonna miss it out because the gravy from the fish with all the onion and scallion and thyme and all that spice tastes good. I put a lot of that gravy in the bottom. Remember I did that before I put the vegetable. And I also put the vegetable on top of that gravy. You know what I mean? Put it on top. So when I go on the bottom and I start to mix the gravy, I'm getting the gravy with the kale and everything. I'm getting all flavor plus with the sauce. It tastes really good. If I can't cook, I can make the fish and sit and it's salty and just not taste good. The kale still can have a nice flavor, but you don't get the flavor like me have. I don't want me to show you how I do it, how I make the fish and stuff. But you all got to donate for that. Because I got to go out and buy pots and stuff and buy the fish. And if you donate to me, I'll go in the kitchen and cook with you guys. Show you how to make everything. But be quite frankly, you all got to have mercy upon me still, you know. Some people donate without me asking. Big up yourself, Jillian. Big up Kathy. Big up all of you guys. Big up Lady from the Bronx. Send $50 for me. Bring all the big up Gary. That was in the hospital the last time. Hope he's doing well. And so on, you know. More if you donate, I can do more. I try to do the best I can. I can do more. I have rich goodie. You know what I mean? If you do that, and so on, I'm also going to have a channel for kids. I'm planning to have a channel for kids and I do kids stuff over there. I'm going to do balloon, ear clip, color on the face and all this stuff. I'm planning to do a lot of different things because I have different personality. So I don't want to stay in one place. You know, entertain everybody. So when you do it like this, you really enjoy. When you finish eating, you won't get a heartburn, you won't get bloated and stuff. If anything, you're going to start fart a lot because it's going to try to get out all the bad gases. You know, you're eating something that go right to your body right away. Your body accept it right away because it's green. It's green, you know what I mean? It go right inside the body, accept it right away. The apple, and apple is good enough to clean out the belly also, you know, make it diarrhea, but I mean, make it cleaner when you go to the bathroom. And I do it every day. I even noticed doing it, I pass in worms, dead worms. I was shocked, you know. But when you're eating like this and you're eating this every single day, they can't stick it them dead. Because then why if you eat the donut, then why if you eat the ice cream, and all the can or something from the store and breathe up more than you. But you're not eating it. You take a lot, you take the wash out, you take the cold and cleanse, and all of that. So, when you go and start eating kale every day, so, you pass out dead worm. Dead worm. Oh yeah. I'm dead. Because what you're eating, they can't manifest in your body. Worms, everybody got worms in their body. You also have one big one in there. But what happens, when you eat a lot of sweet, that's what I'm like. A lot of meat, like oxtail, lot of beef and pork. And then if you don't clean out yourself. So the minute you don't clean out yourself, the onion this. The onion. See for the onion, see? For the onion. You don't clean out yourself, you eat a lot of pork chops, oxtail, donut, ice cream and all this stuff. And every day you're constantly eating them, you know, wash out yourself the amount of worm you have in your gut. Especially from the pork, you breed up, you infest in your belly. And when that happens, you start to have like a lot of sickness. If a sickness start happening to you, you wonder why. Worm them. So in Jamaica with the worm purge out back home, you have medicine for worm, wash you out for worm. You purge out yourself, you take wash out. My grandmother asked me to take wash out from me young for worms. So, depending on what you eat, when you eat like this now, they don't like it. You eat green stuff, citrus, and everything. Parasite don't like that. Because what you put in your system right now, it make your system move up fast. It make whatever you eat, you go right through your system. When you come back out to the bathroom, you see the toilet, you look green. So the green bush will come back out from inside of you eat. And then, you know, if you wipe yourself and all that, you don't have that stinkness or no, well, for hard wiping, you can't wipe and then just go to the shower. And you're clean because you don't have that stinkness that come out of you. You don't have that. You're going to come in on, this green stuff going to be coming out back though. You're going to be seeing it like that, like how you eat it. Coming back out. And green. And see the apple pieces and everything. Going to come right back out of you. Your system clean. Go right through. You understand me? So them not like that because it make your bowel movement move in the right way it's supposed to move you go. You don't keep over stuff that you don't need. So then you can live up in a yan and when you say you can't, your bowel is moving. Everything is going out and you put in something which is alkaline. If you don't even talk a piece of fish or this bad or whatever, you still put the whole pot alkaline apple sitting there every day and I take right banana, eat mango, you drink alkaline water. Can't survive. When try to survive, but then a piece of fish and other things you eat like that, but they can't make it because the stuff we eat every day like this, the green like this, them can't manage it, every day. They're dead. So you end up with a healthier body, healthier feeling. Because when you breathe up in here and you fart up in here and shit up inside your body, you make you drowsy and tired. No. It's a drowsy and tired, man. No lie. God is good. Tastes really good. Belly full now though. Coming to eat like coming to sleep no more. When you start working out, you don't eat as much no more. Trust me. My belly feels smaller. I want to make a push up on my hand and my foot. My belly feels smaller inside. It's full, you see that come out, it's full now, man. Goodie. Eh? You want to see a plate of my belly full? I'm not sure I done the greens one. I'll go up on it later. See it on my belly full. Is it? You see, I trick myself in, I eat another fish. And like as I course I eat more of the vegetable. I'm tricking myself to do more. I don't mind lose the other stuff. You know what I mean? Because I wish I could do it without this, but I just can't because I'm used to it. So long as I get this in, I can always put it on warm this up tomorrow sitting. don't know nothing. Vegetable can't warm up tomorrow. Anything else can't warm up tomorrow. That's why you trick yourself. Eat more. Sometimes I look at chicken back, what do I see them tell me no more? The chicken back or the chicken back or the chicken back. I'm still put the vegetable and do it same with the curry chicken back. I'm still eat them, warm up my for the next day. I'm not just so. I'm telling you. We do that for me doing that, I feel good for tricking myself like this. I'm telling you, because regular me not just like this, so I'm not lying. It's good, but this is a person that used to just eat alkaline, you cannot eat like that. But to me used to was not alkaline and all of that. I used to be fish or my chicken or something. So when me eat it alone, like me used to do the last time, it bring me a great deal of stress. My body went to a panic mode. I put no meat or no kind of nothing for myself. So right now, I do it a different kind of way to make sure I'm still healthy or kind of healthy by putting everything on the side and trick myself and then put the good thing in. Instead of sit down and eat that alone. And I sit down and eat that alone, I still not feel satisfied. I still feel hungry. And I still feel like I'm going to eat something else just because I don't want to eat the fish or I want to just not eat, you know? So instead of that, I just cook it. Excuse me, and do it this way. This way, whatever left warm up tomorrow, I see you. Because tomorrow I'm ready for warm up, whatever left, fish left. I still going to make an next set of green again for go with that. You know what I mean? Come and eat left overnight greens and eat it. After overnight, you know, good again and dash it away. To make sure you eat it. That way. About eating it and make you look younger too. It help with your skin. So it's not just... It help with the skin because when you're inside your colon is clean, make your skin clean. For a person that drink a lot of soda, use a lot of sugar, or put candy and stuff for your face breaking out, you have a lot of bump and something for your face, that's because your body is over toxic. So no matter what you go to the pharmacy and buy, no matter what you put on your face to get it better, you're going to wind up back with your face breakout again. Because you have to clean your colon. Once you clean your colon, it helps with your skin. In every skin problem you have, it helps to clean your colon. Because you don't want to have a lot of feces that, you know, just bungled up in your colon just sitting there. You know, so you're having poison in your body. That's poison. That's not coming out of your body. So you're going to end up with a lot of pimple on your skin. Sometimes you get a lot of pimple on your back, a pimple on your chest, pimple on your face. That's because you just need to take a wash out. After you take a wash out, all of that will go. Even if you're going to bleach your skin, and you have a lot of bumps and stuff, you're going to bleach your skin. And you're the kind of person who get a lot of bumps, and you never like, I'll get bumps before, but you never take a wash out. You take a wash out before you use a bleaching cream. So you take a wash out to remove anything that causes in the body, the toxic, out. And then you use the cream to remove the spots. But you must. You understand? What is people? What is people? I don't know what them people. Yeah, big up all yourself. Me eating fish and kale, and the couscous is nice too, but my belly kind of full, me overeating it, me like that. Couscous nice. Oh Lord. Probably every time I eat piece of food drop, somebody want it. And I'm gonna talk to my baby father and say, you want peace, man? I ask if I want peace. Sometimes But him dead gone. You know, murder the man. Life. I know, I'm telling you, my belly full, but sometimes this thing is so sweet, oh, I'm telling you. I know, I'm not supposed to overeat, man. It's sin, but I wonder if I could make it before I go to sleep. If I wait the next hour, I guess the food in my belly will go down the next hour and I can eat this and then just call it a night, you know? I really want to finish running the plate. So maybe the next hour. It's so nice. It's like my belly full up and I feel uncomfortable because I'm still hungry and my belly feel full. I mean, this is so nice. It tastes different from the vegetable. My belly full, but my mouth still hungry, basically. Belly full, but my mouth hungry, man. Food is a blessing, though. Lord, enough people in my feet this evening, Father. And look at my belly full now. I'm collecting my flies. Not sure. No. I must praise God and pray to God. And start being nasty and run around. Let God provide for you and get big fish. I think nobody can come tell about sugar daddy and come to the nastiness. I built them back to hell, you see. I built them back to hell because God provide for me. God loves me. And it's 2 big fish in my bag today. 2 of them. 2 big ones cut up. And 2 last one they have. And when they come after, they have none to get. I was like, wow. I'm not selfish. That's what I needed. More than they do. Because I'm out getting it. Tastes good though. It's really good, I tell you. It just tastes so good, but I'm gonna have to stop. Well, this is the part I feel like crying. It's when your belly just can't hold no more. And your mouth is still hungry. And you're saying, now, where's the belly? Any mouth and the belly is supposed to connect in this. Your belly don't want more, your mouth don't want more. But how come your belly want more? Your mouth want more and your belly say full. Oh, gosh. I got all gas tonight, make it stay. So I gas, man. You're supposed to can't hold all of this. From the time that the bag is stretched, like in the laundry bag. Can't hold more, but this exercise is messing it up. Amen. And when the sun dry, it sound like you want to go water for your throat at night. It sounds like an old dry car engine now work, need to throw water at night. Ah, Baba, no, sir. I think I'll nick a ride this way, if you want to move. Let me want man. Remember I used to suffer having a man. Me don't eat like my belly full and then want to do something. I don't want to do nothing, man. I want to sleep. My belly full. You know, people are all and bother your body with your belly full. I feel ugly, you know? It's like really sad when people feel ugly after you eat your food. You can't go in your bed and sleep in peace. Catch your pillow up high because you know, say, sometimes when you eat, you come like say you're pregnant. 9 months. So you know, so when it's big like that, and your belly come out big like that because you eat only like 9 months, you say to yourself, say, all right, I can no longer walk around in the house because I can't hardly make it. So the best thing to go is to your bed, put the pillow them up high, you know, because you can't put them down low. Because if you put the pillow down low and you fall asleep, you see, and that food start come back to your nose or your throat, you can't choke, you can't kill in your sleep. So you have to put the pillow them up high, catch yourself up high, so make like your head is still up while the body lay down. So the food can't get to digest, you know. And so, That's a regular thing me do all the while. Like tonight, now when I catch up my pillow eye, that's when I'm going for the big thing of yogurt because I eat the 1/4 yogurt one time, you know. None of that no left when you me touch that, you know. With the sour cream. Come take the sour cream and put it into the yogurt and mix it up. And my remedy that me make from years ago, me make that one. That's one of my recipe. Yes, man, you get this, the yogurt, and you get the sour cream. I take out like 2 big spoons, and it depends on how much of the yogurt you're going to eat. Like I make the whole one, I take out like almost half of the small thing of sour cream and put it and mix it up with the yogurt and I eat it down to the way down to the whole quarter is empty. I never eat one and eat half. It has to be empty. 1/4 yogurt. And some eat it with the we call it sour cream. You see me buy so five of them I must buy in there. You see there? So no, I can eat one each time, so I buy so much one time. And 5 different times that. We're done. So when I go enjoy myself, then now I go watch an African movie or something. You know, I catch up myself, go put it on the speaker, make it sound like a surround system. And then I catch up then pillar there high and start to suck down my yogurt right down. And then I go sleep. I not do it to the food. No, I not do it to the food. I not do it to the food. I have to eat the food before. Because I can't go eat food in my bed and catch up. Can't fish in my bed and them something. So that's nasty. I can't do that and sit my stomach. But if I don't eat, like I say, my belly full. And I can't walk. Then I decide to turn in. And some would really turn in. But, you know what I'm saying. But now like I know, so I go eat the yogurt and so. I will eat the food first because I know so I want the time come to get the yogurt. So that's why I say I will eat it so now and now I go catch up myself. Still wandering around if I should finish this or I just leave the space. I just try the vegetable alone, put on that and then forget the yogurt after because that's what's best for me. So that's what I will be doing when I'm done. I'll be eating one of them. Either the strawberry one or the vanilla one. With some sour cream, drink enough water. I'm going to brush my teeth and floss my teeth. For me touching the yogurt or nothing. Because once I eat the yogurt, I don't get to brush your teeth. I got to my bed and sleep. So I make sure I do it. No. Because I do it now, I go eat that shit before I wake up. I pay a yogurt and run out of my mouth and the pill and all them sitting there. You know what I mean? You know how it is, man. Well, when I used to eat a lot, like our Vincy boy, man, he couldn't put on nothing at the house. And you know, the rat them was bad too. But guess what? Me eat all in candy and chocolate, them and he sit there and buy. And he have it and he pack, me open through the seal like I steal my granny business and take them out and seal it back on the one he goes. Me eat all the donuts, them, me eat everything, me drink all the soda. And me eat all the oxtail and beef and big pot of pork. Whole heap of chicken back, whole heap of fried dumpling, whole heap of baking soda, not good for me. And I eat everything when I did it. And when I start to learn after how bad things are, what I'm eating, and I take my time. Last year I wasn't eating all the oxtail, and I said that in the year before, like 2 years or something ago. Yeah. I'm learning now, good for me now, I'm learning, you know. It really bring down sickness by before time. Make you look old at in your face. Yeah. I love you too. God bless you too. Yeah, man, I don't scare to fit the beep or to burp, man. Who don't like it, go to hell, man. Go and swell, man. Go and tell them, me say, man. What I'm to you, man. Open your eyes and see me, witch. Open and see me, cause I know you just a... I don't want to say, but you know the rest. Open your mouth, bitch. Receive the stress. Right in your throat and tell it the rest. I don't want to talk, your life is a mess. Why you looking like a devil in a damn red dress? Me you wanna come to, man. Paper chasing, man, paper chasing. Gotta get my money, man, I gotta do my thing. Paper chasing, man, paper chasing.
Gotta get my money, man, I gotta do my thing. Smile, them a smile, but me know that them fake. While they smiling, I know that they ache. Paparazzi come, man, picture of a take. Who is vexed? Who is next? Me you wanna dress? Me you wanna test? Bitch, you keep on telling me, say you the devil best. Meet me on the corner in my damn devil dress. Who you wanna prove, bitch? Who you wanna lose? Cutting up your gun, baby. Who you wanna shoot? Coming with my gangsta, I'm coming with my crew. Paper chasing, man, what you gonna do? On the money train, I'm looking for the money, man. I almost lost my brain. Some said I'm crazy, said I'm gone insane. But look at all the money, it's a washing down the drain. Gotta get the money, cause the life a damn game. Some of these bitches, man, I know they can't tame. Who you wanna curse, bitch, and bring you all the shame? Come in my purse, take out my mace, spray it in your face. Yeah, you run your mouth, you're causing too much disgrace. Move as a bitch, man, move in the ace. Now you swallow spit, man, you know how it tastes. Money gotta come, got the money gotta chase. Gotta be the boss, gotta get the check, gotta get the cash. Ain't no turning back. Gotta get the money, man, you gotta own the stash. Yo, life is like that, there's no coming back. Gotta be the boss, gotta pay the bill, gotta pay the shit, cause it will get you ill. Yeah, they keep on talking, but hear me not hear them still. Paper chasing, man, paper chasing. With songwriter right. Yeah, they keep on talking like when rat them a bite. Can't stop me now, cause we give them alright. Talent that we have, no matter how them fight. Yeah, they come again and trying them a try. Yeah, they see you looking on your damn bad eye. Watching my life like a tater. Watching my life like a Chinese takeout. So in the art, you know, them fake out. You don't want to see him coming like a devil with a fork to rake out. You don't want to see your success, the one to take out. But just like a Christmas tree, man, you light and shake out. How happened to them? Paper chase out. Paper chasing, man, paper chasing. Gotta get my money, man, I gotta do my thing. Who you wanna clock? Who you wanna stop? 6 foot under, who you wanna drop? Wanna be a superstar, you wanna be in top. They don't know to rap. Tell these bitches if you come and pull a cap. Yeah, they wanna star. Yeah, they wanna sing. Wanna act like them is the biggest thing. Tell them Jamaica, man, I'm ready to spread my wing. Cause when I keep on talking, the shit that I spit, bitch, you wanna take it, go copy that shit. Right on the line, cause you're bad mind. Yes, you're fat, you're looking like a dirty damn slime. Yeah, you can't find clothes, bitch, that you owe. You come and talk about, man, you the start the show. Get back in line, man, cause I collect the dough. Eat the big fish, yes, I scale it. Yeah, you wanna start, bitch, go and take a spit. Brush in your teeth, yes, I make it clean. Yes, I get coffee and stain between my teeth. Yes, I keep on talking, but I don't give a damn. Floss and toothpaste, man, they had to come out. Watching about the bitches, man, they love but their mouth. Can't stop me now, I'm proud, alright. Jah give me strength that make me alright. Fly by day, me say pitch by night. Me you wanna anchor, bitch, me you wanna try? Go and eat some full tribe and lie down die. Yeah, you keep on saying, word I keep on spit. Truth that I'm telling you, bitch, I kill you with it. Yeah, you talk about your lover, can't get no icky ick. I'm good like that. I'm gonna sag like that. I'm gonna laundry bag like that. But I mean, you want to stop. Every day you get up with your mouth full of chat. Cause you lie like that. Keep on telling lie that you can't take back. Who you want an injection? Who you want a shot? Who you want an injection? Who you want a shot? Not me, bitch, cause you can't come back. Now you lose the game. People you want to frame. Calling up the nigga, man, Ellie Lewis name. Now you see the shit, man, your shit in drain. Just like that. Wanna play good, bitch, you gotta get tame. Stop acting like you wanna call her all the shame. And my shit like that because I don't know the game. Yeah, you wanna flop. Me, you can't stop. All you keep on planning in for me, you wanna drop. moving like a rat, but I'm the damn cat. Barry, can you see the shit? Please come back. Hey, yo, we don't want to be like bad news. Bad, 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 bad cat. You eat the fish, you bad. Oh, come LA, eat the fish. I love you. Come. I pick up LA. LA, pick up yourself, Papa. 7, 7. Eat the fish. I love you. Nice. Nice youth. You know what I mean? Yeah, nice youth, man. Respectable. You know what I mean? Like with some man, I respect a woman to the max. And I've been on a buckle like the damn shoes. Them been on a buckle like the shoes, my dog. A good people, them there. Buckle like the shoes. I don't shame my woman penny still been on a buckle like the shoes. Oh, man. Let me know. LA, you gotta hear the shit. Trillion record, gotta hear my shit, you got to mix, make the shit stick. I'm the next superstar, don't bother with the bullshit. Yo, I'm stop playing around and people take it serious, cause I'm fool. And they take everything to earth, you know, like some man, I'm carrying on joke and shit, you know what I mean? I'm just, you know, I don't know, I'm just sick, then carrying on joke, you know? No, so I'm taking it serious, like something we can't run joke, man, I can run. But that's the way it goes, you know. You have to can talk stuff, man. That's how the system works, that's how the joke goes, you know what I mean? You know? I know. Fish nice? Alright. Why me? Why me? Me you wanna play with like a toys or a kid. Not because you see me in my lace front wig. Don't think I'm a fool, I know to spin my gig. Y'all keep on talking and scratching your toe, cause chigga, you have it still. Man, come off my name when you know your game is lame. You can't be tame, the life you live is still in shame. You're if and a button, you maybe what you should do. Let me show you got the tool. Pray to God, open your eyes. The blindest eyes you have because you're wicked inside. Yo. Somebody may say, because it's child, like I try the fish and just crush out the fish, it would be so lovely. But, you know, it's not as good. Can't bite you, man. I bite you with vengeance because you're wicked. No, not. On a not. Wicked and not. No, Colleen, good. You're not going to Colleen, man. Colleen, can speak a Lord. Put up on speaker. I can hear everything you say. Call in 347-469-3874. Battery up and listen to. Call if you want. Call quick. I sit and catch more. Wash you off. Call quick. Like when I run go oh man quick. Call quick, baby. Quick. Call me quick. Call me now. Me and Miss Cleo. Me tell you your problem. Your husband have woman with you. Woman, call me now. So quick, someone going to call when you hear the man cheating on you. Call me now. Me see your man in a one big van, you know. Chris van in just by 2 days ago. Well, he up and down, busy up and down for the last 2 days and get the van because he have his sweetheart. You sit down there watch me live. Call me now. Me tell you what I do. That's why I'm there with you. Call me now, parasite. If you're not feeling good about yourself and how parasitic you are, I can still help you and pull you out of madness to sanity, or from insanity to sanity, and so on and so forth. And then, yes, baby love, who trouble you know. But I come beat up your chest for me now. Me a hot girl now, no do it. You know, so me a hot girl Tina. One girl called me man one time, you know. I am man me want to talk to. Me say, I'm a man, yes, because me and him live. Oh, it's a long time, you know, see you, don't know nothing boy. You me say, well, me and him live. Obviously, me answer him phone in the shower. You know, so me a hot girl, though. You see how me hot, right? I'm a hot girl. Me a tell you no Tina. Me a hot girl. And you know to say me a hot girl, Tina. Me say, yeah. Come in a warm month. Come in a want to come make up nice on me yard. Me just tell him yes.
786
Yes, darling. Excuse me? Hold on, I can't hear you good. I forgot to plug in something. What you say? I have to plug in this thing. Hold on, baby.
Power on. Bluetooth.
What you say you like me?
Someone says something funny. I'm not a big fan of the way you walk, though. It's a bit mannish. We need to change that.
The way I walk is mannish?
I do have a crush on you.
You have a crush on me?
I just think you're like the coolest chick I've ever met. Look, I'm going to reveal who I am tomorrow. I can't stop thinking about you. I'll see you tomorrow at lunch.
Huh?
You've just been played by PrayDial.com.
Anyways, good night, people. I saw trouble come find you. And so, yes, hang up and go on in Jesus' name. So I change my walk like a man because I'm going to say I have something also like that. If you would like, you can buy one time. What you say? Whatever can fit you, wear it, my darling, and wear it well. Whatever them call it, just make sure you get the piece to match up with you when you meet them and see them, you and them, that's all. You and them, yes, baby. Don't even remind them until they put themselves in the position, and when you hand it over in the plate, you say to them, here it is now. You see what I mean? Hope you're strong enough, Bobo. Hallelujah. Like Goody said, Olivet. So, Mama, buy one bleaching cream for you last week. Olivet, me say the bleaching cream me white and pretty, you know. Listen, me want the next one. Me say it's sitting la 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 la. Goody said it's sitting la la la. It's sitting nice, Goody la la la. As God baby what this me not like. That shit have me fun. Me say Goody what you say? Goody say la la la. So it's sitting nice. Yeah, me can make anyone you want. Depends on what price you want, and you know, the more you spend, the more you get, and so on. But I give you discount too because the celery white them are expensive. They like want something, you know, and then some goodie just bought one. I give her for $1 each because it's very expensive for that one. But you know, I still try to work with the people the best way I can. You know, it's a business here. And so on. Me have less strength for 30, me have 40, me have 50, 100, whatever you want, you just call me Movie King Fly and you will get it. You hear me? Call me, man. Just call me like Miss Cleo. I remember some have the woman Candy. Because since they don't like the other name, we call it woman Candy. Woman best friend, we call it anyway. Make sure so you come and get your woman best friend because enough me have. Alright? You know what, me get the garden, me get the more garden, just so you go. But call and get to know woman best friend, you can get $10 piece or $20 piece, or how much you need. 30, 40, 50, and you put it down because it's hard to get, and it keep you out of trouble. Definitely out of trouble. It keep you out of ear going up in your belly, make your belly swell out big. Because ear can go in and blow up like a balloon big. So it can help if you lock the ear and everything out and so on. And keep everything in control. Move Kinky Fly again. And so on. Feel hot though. I forgot to put on the AC. I can't take the heat. Plug it out, cuz. Oh. Everything lock up. You must have killed my every window lock. Every window lock. Every door lock. No ear to outside. Got the AC, cuz. We block up everything because we don't trust people. We block up every hole everywhere and can't peep through no hole from outside or nothing. Block up everywhere. I piss on my chimney, I feel look like already. I piss on my chimney, I walk peep through the night. We look up everywhere. You know they're wicked, you know they're wicked. They will come out the window and take a phone and video you have piss in your chimney. They will sleep out the whole night if they have to. Let me tell you something. Listen. We have to. Listen, don't bother company here and I walk my mouth with the green and come out of it. No green and come out of my mouth. Right? Green a come out and you're thinking, granny hole. Come off of your whole parasite and jujubes. Uno come off and go broke on your neck in a hole, mama pampas hole. Your mother, go and find his control where you fall out and bury yourself back now, boy and girls. Girls, I tell you, boy, I try to do well, you know. I try to love each and one of y'all like my goddamn kids, you know. I try to love y'all because life don't last long any time anymore. I try. I beg you all to be peaceful and to be loving and to kind. See, I eat my belly full and the gingy fly trying to get their belly full. I don't mad with them. I can't mad with them. They have to enjoy life. But some of y'all cannot enjoy life. You're mad at me, you're mad at your world, you're mad at your mother, you're mad at your father, you're mad at your sister. Well, stay mad at them. When you're mad at me, you're just telling me that I am damn important. Because you take your precious time to come and mad at me. That means I'm important, because if you're not doing something well, nobody will mad at you. When you're doing all kind of bad thing and wrecking yourself down to nothing, nobody will be mad. They will be cheering you on. So when people is mad at you, that means they're mad at something you're doing. You're going to do something well. So when they're mad, that tell you to keep going, girl, you're doing well. Everybody can be with you now. And if you're doing well, the hater not going to like you. If me da hop up in a sugar daddy van and all boat, a place I lay up myself. None of them would be liking me, they wouldn't be mad. Because me driving myself down to hell. By sleeping at other people's husband and other people's vehicle up and down on the road like a madam and a bar all night and catch up man and a wine up some of the pan live, half naked pan live and a bar all bout a flash ear and nails while me a pick up man. See, they will be joining you on and tell you you're beautiful and love you for that. Because they know you're running yourself down to hell. It's just a matter of time before you drop into a hole. And them know that. But them not going to tell you. They're not going to tell you, no. The more children tell us, girl, you're going good, your wine good, your clothes look good, you still have a party, Ray. And them don't want them daughter to go out there and be like that. But them not going to tell you. But when me sit on my house and not going to these places and eating my food and bathe and change my clothes and sit down and talk, them hate me. Because, them trying to get me off the internet and for some reason God not give them the chance. So they mad now because they try everything. I'm still here. Then try to lock on my YouTube channel 4 times. 4 times. I haven't gone on YouTube for 3 months and odd. And last week I supposed to go live and them strike me the day I'm supposed to go live after 3 months. People doing that from video from 3 years ago. So I had to go in and delete almost all lot of work that I have put on, even though the money was being paid on them. And if they're not qualified before, they not run commercial on them. Well, because they're bad mind. So I know what I'm telling you. So if I was going out party and going out there and tell sugar daddy and give me a little money and drop me off, and me put on my phone pan live, I drive with sugar daddy down the road, and he stop and give me a little money, and me come out and vehicle and go buy fish. That draw the excitement and everybody with you, big up man, me love you man, me love you, you're nice, and so you're one good girl. Cause you're with sugar daddy girl come on go buy 2 fish. And when you don't drive you and drop you off and throw a little chops and kiss by you and them say man, them love that and them enjoy themselves. And when you come in and attack on your life, sugar daddy, I call you, I cut off your life every minute. I make up nice in your ears. You get up tomorrow, you live in a devil start running up and down. If you go lay down with man, you know what lay down with. Them try you on. Yes, girl, you're doing good, I love that. But the minute you can start make $1 on a commercial, they will fight you down to the last bit. They will dig you down like a wanted man for that commercial, for the $2 you will make. Them don't want to make it. Them do not want you. They will do everything to get you off. Mash up your line, whatever you build. Because them do not want to see you survive. But if you're going on the rampart by picking up man and dressing up and come out and skin out yourself and show them and go up on private page with all this man who don't even write English and why your picture and why your body part picture and tell how much them love you and love you up and fool you and you fall in love with them online. And I love and I'm glad for them write you back. When they pan line and write to that woman, you get jealous because you're so in love with them. Not realize you've been played because you don't know nothing about the internet. All of that may go through.
So people is going to cheer you on when you do not know anything. If you go and take off your clothes and open Israel, man ma come on, all the man ma come from Pakistan, we are right, all kind of sit when I write England, the whole body man and one coming out to carry your name and tell about the next one, say you're a slut, or you're a dog, or you stink, and them write up all these kind of things. And you don't know what they're saying, and then can send more man over, they can take furniture, so you take them. And you are mount up all these people, and you're just mounting up a whole bunch of group like you're doing some kind of internet adult show or something. That's all that gonna be. So when you don't know the internet and who you're messing and who people is, them do you all kind of thing, but when you know it, them do not want you to be on there because you're knowledgeable and know what to do, what not to do. And when you not do nothing wrong, them still trying to. If you have on 3 suit of clothes and naked, just because them don't want to see you sitting on your house and pray to God and live a clean life and stop sleep on people's floor, stop sleeping with the man house, stop have sugar daddy and I bake like a food and try clean myself up with God in my heart. Say if me dead tonight, God will pity me. Me know out there do drugs or they drink alcohol all up and on a bar like it's nowhere for no woman to live. No way at all. And I would not put myself in that kind of predicament, something that me go in and come out already and thank God me come out alive. So people is going to cheer you on when you're doing stuff that them know that it's not going nowhere. You're only leading yourself down to destruction, where you're going to end up hurt yourself or kill yourself or somebody hurt you. Them not telling you. They're just cheering you on and make you feel like, okay, it's okay to do that. Yes. And that's what you got to know. Sometimes you're doing a little thing and nothing good. People cheer you on because they want to see you drive yourself down to the last bit. When I like eat some food, mouth full up of food, people. I'm teasing, full up of food and sitting calm and I get up it. Right? They're not going to tell you say it's wrong. They're not tell you how beautiful you is, or this or that, or this or that. Because you skin out yourself to them. And this and that. But later on, if you change and start to do a different road and try it, them start to hate you because you now see the light. You now realize what the purpose of life is, to live and to enjoy life. Them not like to see that. So you have to just be yourself. So when they want to hate me, as something good me I do when I see hater come up, it don't bother me. That is showing me that I'm relevant. Because if I'm never relevant and important, you can't get up a press button for me hate you. So much people get up a press. It got to be something about you. Why do I press hate? That means you're doing something well. That is not going to cause a destruction. You're doing something that can help other people and put a smile on their face. It's not driving them to destruction and stopping other young girls from driving themselves to destruction by drinking over alcohol or go party every night and now come out to be nothing. You can't party in your house. You end up lose your life, get drunk, people drugs you, rape you, all kind of things can't happen. So I'm not going to invoke and tell nobody if you go to the party, not stay like one time. Party now move like one time no more. Never the music where you make us sell as reggae music now move like that one time no more. People are looking for comfort. People want to talk. People want to relax their mind. So when you have somebody want to keep it real like me and talk and relax, my mind just be or me be. I don't care who want to hate me because I have nothing in secret. I have nothing to hide and being myself. I'm a joke around with people, yes, but I don't hate nobody. And as everybody know that. Everybody will know me, so Olivet don't hate nobody. I have for a line, I can go back on or something because I don't take no off. You understand me? All the fan page messed up, everything. You understand me? But that's how it is. When you're doing something good, people is not going to like you because you're saving too much lives. You're telling too much truth. Them want if you come and put on one pum shot and skin out and go party and up in there wine up so they can watch you in there wine up and teach your daughter if you wine up and skin out. So, you know what I mean? You make me look a joke sometime, but I mean, me talk conscious more time and tell you my truth and tell the truth and tell you how I feel. And that's just a fact. So when people want to hate you, don't get mad when they hate you. Them hate you because it's something special about you. For movies make up stuff on my face because it itch me, I like keep on something on my eye too much, I itch me now. But my skin I itch me, I like. Let me see. I put on them stuff that I tell you now. And everybody them something they make for. You know what I mean? Put on for so much hours now, I have to take off these stuff completely off my face. Scrub it and clean it and oil it and remove every dribble drop of makeup. Take off the lash them and everything. See? Me glue the man hands, come with the lash to make stay on. Me cannot. Whole the other shit swell by a man if I put them on for my eye. So these I can wash my face and wait, I'm gonna take them and remove them. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my eye done because I'm allergic to these things. I know that I'm allergic to them. So I don't care what people want to say because I know that I'm allergic. Even to the makeup itself, not good for my skin. I'm allergic to all of it. But me go on for now. But at time for me take off for now because I'm supposed to take it off and then come back on without no makeup. You know what I mean? Because I like eat when me feel uncomfortable after a certain time. I itch my face. My eyes are itch, everything I itch. Inside, outside, my eyes, everything. Yeah. You understand me? Because God never make you so. You understand me? God never make you so. For all these things we didn't come up with. God never make you so. God make you how you be. So that is why. You know what I mean? So I love you guys and we're not so long I make nobody can't get to nothing and thing. Just be yourself, me eat the food, me enjoy the food. It's very, very nice. But me not worry about it, man. The lifestyle, some of them sound right on them have a next meal for them. So when they're hungry, and it's long they proceed eat before they get up and go find something for them. Get up and find something to eat. I mean, stop being a man collector, a bone collector, or whatever you want to call it. I mean, goody. Stop being like that. See? Man? Strong go to your mouth. So take off my wig? No worry about me, because I can't take off the wig. I'm on a ball spot on my head. You rock it like that because the wig is on it. You put on it, you just simple put on it. Simple. Put it on. It's very, very simple. You can pin your earpin and pin it you want. See? Simple. Right? See? Simple. I'm not for bad mind over. It's okay? God is great. Yeah. Yeah, you have to tell them sometimes in a goodie. Yeah, man. God is great, man. All the time. You see me? Hell, I don't know wig make me, man. You know what I mean? I wash off the stuff right now. You know what I mean? And stuff. You know what I'm saying? Wash off the whole thing I'm going to show and wash off the connect shower from 8 to 2. Wash out all my ear and everything. Fresh brush my teeth. Floss my teeth. Have some Listerine and wash out the germs out of my mouth. You see me? And pray and go on my bed. Me soon tomorrow, I not come back for the night. But tomorrow, me soon. You see me? I love you and God bless you. And thank you for being here, each and every one of you. Big up Jamaica, my hometown, England, Toronto, Guyana, Grenada, Mr. Toronto already. Chicago, Florida, big up Florida, Guyana, Grenada, Europe, England, all the way in Hong Kong, like everywhere, just big up on yourself, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, Guyana, Trinidad, big up on the damn self. Just big up all of y'all and we'll talk more tomorrow. Let me have a good night's sleep and go brush my teeth and bathe up myself and go on my bed and pray and go on my bed. And so on. I never get to exercise today, which is not good because I was hungry and I don't cook and I come and talk to them and realize with the 8 of them I don't make them know. Can you try to strike me again today on YouTube? So them actually trying to strike me. Them keep striking me to get me off YouTube so I can't come back when they ever take on my own page when I'm planning to make another page. So because them try to do that this night, but it never work. It never worked because when them try to strike me with YouTube, couldn't strike me for it because it wasn't something for strike. It was when I was laughing with you guys when I tell me have on the jumper, I may have on the tights and the stocking and the pink piece tie over with the wig. I may have on like 3 things cover up my body plus the jumper and that. Then go complain about. And because I can't test it, but me no bother. Then try to strike me again, but YouTube wouldn't strike me tonight because it's not, what them complain about, it's not. They said, I want contest. I said, no, but just take it on and done. You know what I mean? Because I was making good a lot of commercial on it. It was fit enough because if not, they're not going to give a commercial. But because they're trying to do that, See the hate and bad mind. So tomorrow again. So make sure you go on YouTube. You guys are going. I see that your guys going over there. And I saw all the subscribers are going up. Thank you, goody. God bless you. And I'm gonna make a page for your kids. I'm gonna make a page for your kids also. So when I start doing the kids, like the kids ear and the clips and the funny plays for the kids and the stuff toys and stuff, when I talk and move my hands and different things that I like to do, and then that would be just for kids, because it'll be all about kids. So it'll be very clean because it's all about kids and this and crayons and different things like that. Okay? So the kids can be happy too because they love me. And some of them so small. I mean, they understand me. They're so small. They're so little. And it's like, Mommy, you don't know this lady? That's the lady from Facebook. And they're so small. The small one, they're so wise, man. They're so small. And you wonder how they know you. And then the mother recognize you sometime. The kids don't recognize, but the kids recognize, like, Mom, look, and I pull them and I lick like a baby them. Have you said, yo, it surprised me sometime. It really surprised me sometime. I was like, you lick like that? And I smile and so like a big people. I'm telling you. So God bless their little soul because they're smarter than the little kids nowadays are smarter than the grown ones. Believe that. And that's why I want to do a different channel for them, and so on. Little things that I know they would like, because I never had no childhood, and that will also help me too as a therapy to have my childhood. Because I have different personality, and it's good to play them out if I could play them out different places and so on, which would be great, be great. Kids like me too. So I love you guys. I'm planning to do different things. Don't worry, God is with me, and He's going to show me exactly what to do. So I love you. Have a wonderful and a prosperous night. But if I get on too bad in these videos, because as you know, they try to stop me, so I have to make sure I load up so I can get my commercial break and so on. So I try to change the words and do it in different manner. You guys still can find it funny, and sometimes I'll do funny videos that I'm not going to upload just for you guys. But tomorrow, let me get a good night's sleep. I need to stay on track, because when I come on this thing all the time, I fall off track, goody. And it's not good. I need to stay up taking care of myself, and be on this thing a lot could make you become crazy, like you fall off track, and some people come on here to try to pull you off track and try to belittle you and bully you, and you don't want nothing to pull you down. So you need to get off, get a fresh shower, drink a lot of water, get a good night's sleep. If you wake up back later on, you get up and do your exercise you miss out today, make sure I get that in, because I cannot go back from that cane, even lift up the little weight, much as can do one push-up. I'm reach so far now, I can do at least 7 push-up, 8 push-up straight, which is not a lot, but it's a lot for you when you can just push up on your hand and your toes. Where all your body go all the way down and up. So far as that, I don't want to go back and make your hand do one. Whosoever exercise, you know me I talk about it hard. If you go back and start over. So I have to make sure so I get up early, later on like 2, 3 o'clock and do it. Or if I feel good enough before I go to bed, I do a little bit. And then in the morning, I get up and do more. I'll try to do it before I go to bed. Because it's important. At least even a couple of squats. And even lift my legs a couple of times for the fat part in the back yourself to go. So you have to keep doing the squats and bend yourself and shape up yourself properly and all them things. And the push up. So I love you guys. And I see you in the morning. God be with you and your family. And it's great to have you here. And thank you. I do appreciate you. Sometimes I don't get to see all the names and everybody. But I love you. Don't worry about it. Tomorrow I get some more time to sit and see who is here, who want to come on the camera. Make sure you want to come on the camera if you do want to come and talk to me. Don't say you want to come on the camera. I'm going to bring you on the camera. You run off the camera. I'm going to like that you're wasting my time. So when I come on camera, you ask to be and just come and show yourself up. Come. Showing yourself. I don't know why this thing is like that. Because every time if you come, nobody not show. I put my at it, but the person not come up. Make sure you want to come on camera before you come on camera. Don't let me put you on camera and they don't want to come. After you request it. Okay, so tomorrow. Alright, love you guys. Yeah, because I'm kind of tired, to be honest. I go and get my full night's sleep. I can't drag down myself. I drag down behind this thing. No, take it easy. God bless you and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.